Nature is a masterpiece, painted with vibrant colors and intricate details. Imagine standing by a flowing river, the water glistening under the sun, as birds soar gracefully overhead. Each moment in nature tells a story, from the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind to the majestic mountain standing tall against the horizon. Wildlife, like deer grazing in the early morning light or dolphins dancing in the waves, reminds us of the delicate balance of life. And as the rain falls softly on the leaves, it creates a symphony of sounds that calms the soul. Look up at the starry night sky, where countless stars twinkle like diamonds, inviting us to dream. Nature's beauty is all around us, waiting to be discovered and cherished. Embrace it and let it inspire your spirit.